All right, this is Tighten Up by the Black Keys off the Brothers album. We're going to start out with this. This is a F sharp minor chord. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we hit on the 2 and the 4. So 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, so we have 4 chords here. We have this F sharp minor, which is 11, 11, 10, 9 from the D string down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to jump over here to this A major 7. We got a 7, 9, 9, 9. So go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we kind of flip that one around and get a B minor, 9 with 7s. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is going to be a C sharp major right here. We have 11, 10, and 9. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the whole thing is 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Okay, and that goes 7 times to get us started. Then we have a little bit of a pause, and then we're going to get into a bridge thing, which is going to be, we're going to add the F sharp bass to this F sharp minor chord, and also we're going to go up to the C sharp minor chord, 9, 11, 9, 9, 9. So we're going to go. Okay, so we have 3 of the first chord and 5 of the next. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and kind of have a open as we walk down to this lower F sharp minor down here. So it's open. We do 3 of those F sharp minors then. We do 5 of these C sharp minors, so that's the 4, 6, 6, 5, 4. And we could also have like an open note or 2 there. And we have A to B here, so this is that 5, 7, 7, 6, 5, 5. Boom, 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 boom. So you can either go like a, or boom, 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 boom. We're up into that B over here. Okay, so this bridge again is 3, 4. Let me do it again. Then we have a 3-beat pause. 1, 2, 3, boom. We're back into the verse. Okay, at that time it goes 5 times. Then we have a pause again. Then we're going to have this bridge again. Let's try the bridge. 3, 4. Okay, we do that twice. And then we're going to move on to another pause, and then we're into the outro as far as this guitar part. But there's a whole bunch of more guitar parts coming up after this. This is the basic rhythm stuff. So the outro then gets into a thing. He does a little kind of a weird little fill down there. And then we're going to slow down a little bit. We're going to do the same type of thing we're doing, but we're going to do 11, 11, 10 to 11, 9, 9. So we're going to go. Okay, so we did that 3 times. And then we're going to go. And that's going to be the A chord, 7, 6, 5, up to the B chord. We're going to go bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. So that's like 1 extra B chord. 3 times. A to B. Okay, and it does that a bunch of times, and then end on like an F sharp kind of power chord. If you mute the G string, then it's just like a big old power chord. Okay, so that was the main rhythm parts for Tighten Up by Black Keys. Now we're going to move on to the guitar 2 part. We're going to wait until the second time through for this guitar part to happen. So we have that intro where we have 1. Okay, so we got some great stuff happening here. We got big 2 to the octave of that note. That's an F sharp note. 4 in the D string is its octave. So we're gonna go. So 2, 4, and then bass again. So 4, 2, 4, 2. Kind of slide that one. Okay, so that's A, down to that F sharp 2 on the big string. B, A, F sharp, A. Okay, so it's. Okay, we're gonna go to the 2, 2, 2, O, 2, O, big 2, back to the A. So. And you can kind of pull that one off. So that one's 2 to 4, 4 to 2. They're both kind of slow slides. They're eighth notes. Now this one's kind of a quick hammer. To the open, big 2. Okay, so this whole part again is. Then we're gonna have a new part up here. Okay, so that's our new riff. We got a little 12 to 14 hammer. 2 quick hammers there. Okay, so we have, and then kind of slide that one back in. Back to that 12. 14 down to 12, 10, 12, 10. Okay, so here we go. Two 12s and then 10, 12, 10. 11 to 9 over here, and then. Okay, so hammer 9 to 11 on the G. Couple 9s. You got 11, 9, 7 on the D, down to 9 on the A. So. Now we would have that riff again with the. Okay, we'd have that whole thing, but it's going to have a different fourth measure. So instead of. It's going to go. So 2 to 4. Extra 4s. Bum, da dum, 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 da dum. 2, 0, 2. So now we're up into the bridge, into some high stuff here. We're going to have this 19th fret of the second string. So it's 19 twice. 17, 19, 17. 18 to 16 on the G string. So it's. Then we're going to slide into the 19 or hammer into the 19. So. Okay, so some of the same stuff going on there. And we got. So 18, 18, and then 14 and 16. 14, 16, and 14 twice, kind of fast. 16, 14 on the D. That's what it sounds like to me. There's a lot of effects on these things, so it's a little bit hard to tell. Then we got. Now we're going to rest and do that. Rest. Rest. So this time we go ba-bum, bum, bum, bum. And then we're going to end with rest. So 18, 18. Kind of wait a minute to hit that pull off to the 16. And that's 14, 16, 14, 16 on the D. So we got. Okay, and then we repeat some in the tab. You'll see where it's like section B, section A, section C here. We've got bridge again. Now our ending is going to be a little different. It's going to go. So it doesn't have that lowest note. That's the only thing. So that's like a tiny little detail. Now the one little section where it gets kind of weird and goes into the outro, he goes like. So there's just some weird notes and he has some effects on it and stuff. So it's 2 and open on the big string, kind of in some fashion. Now we're going to get into guitar 3 now. Now here is the lower notes. We're going to go. Okay, so we got hammer 5 to 7 on the B. Twice. And we got the 5, 7, 5 to 6, 4 on the G. Back to 6, 5. Take the 6 down to 4, 2, 4, 2. Down here and then. Okay, so we got. Okay, and then guitar 3, we have a bridge part. We have. So this is like a da-dee-dee-ah-dum-dum. Okay, then we're back up here. And then we have that rest. 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 We'll go to that higher note there. And then our last thing is going to be rest. Okay, then look in the tab. You have some other parts popping in. Now our outro part way up high for guitar 3 is going to be this. So this is 18, little half step bends twice after the first note. So da-da-dum-dum-dum. Okay, so a bunch of notes on the same thing. So. And then we got. Okay, so it ends with 18, 18, 16, 14, da-da-da-da-dee-da-bum. Okay, and then we're going to have a 4-2 to open. So the big 2 up there. Okay, now 2 more things to add to the end of this. The intro, we have the bass thing goes. Okay, so we skip just 2 things on the intro. That's an easy bass line to get it started. Now right after that happens, we have the little whistle part. It's going to be 3, 4. All right, tighten up, black keys. I think you guys can figure out what's going on over there. So 3 pages of tabs. Hope you all dig it. Brothers, my favorite Black Keys album. Great stuff. I met Dan Auerbach one time at the closing of my buddy's bar, Pete's Monkey Bar in Denver. They had played in Broomfield that night, and the bar was packed, and they stopped as they were driving down Colfax in Denver because they saw, like, what's going on at this club? So they popped in there. I got to meet him, offered to buy him a shot, but the bartender beat me to it, and then he was real cool, and they were having a good time until they started playing too many Black Keys tunes, and then they took off. You know how that goes, I'm sure. Okay, tighten up. See y'all later. Thanks a lot.